Ariana Grande said, I want it, I got it. What if I told you that you can live the kind of life that you have always dreamed of? It is not magic, it is not witchcraft, it is simply a way of living. Everything is made up of energy. The law of attraction is very simple. It states that you can attract positive or negative things into your life simply by your thoughts and actions. So, the type of energy that you put out, you get. All you have to do is start by creating a positive mindset so that you send out the positive energy and take action towards your goals and confront your setbacks with the good attitude. Focus on what you want in your life, not what you're lacking. So, don't think about your old broken down car if you want to attract a new car. Picture yourself driving that car. That puts the focus on what you want to bring in your life rather than what you're lacking. You don't want to send the message into the universe about the things that you want to eliminate. It sends the message to the universe that you are expecting good things to happen. So, if you constantly say that I wish I had a car that did not break down all the time, you're still focusing on your old car, not the new car. Another example would be I'm studying hard to get good grades rather than I hope I don't fail this semester. It's all about manifestation. You can manifest a type of life that you want, a thing, or even a person. Now, don't go manifesting Timothy Chalamet. Instead, you need to attract the qualities that a person needs to have that you want in your life. Now, the second step is visualization. You have to visualize your dreams coming true. Close your eyes and picture yourself living the life you want, driving your new car, doing your dream job, showing off your new talents. Do this every day and it'll bring you closer to your goal. Always picture yourself being successful. For example, imagine yourself going to work every day and not just day to day, but instead picture yourself being the best at your job, at getting a promotion. The best thing, according to me, would be to practice this several minutes a day and then just release it into the universe and let it come to you, and then go about your day to day with gratitude. Which brings me to the next point, which is express your gratitude for what you already have. Appreciating the good in your life helps you to feel better about your life and it supports your positive mindset. List the things that you're grateful for. When you get up every day, you can practice gratitude by simply saying the things that you're grateful for aloud, or you can just write them down in a gratitude journal, or you can even tell the people around you why you're grateful for them. Meditate for at least 5 minutes a day. Now, I don't usually do this myself, but stress is a normal part of life. But too much can be overwhelming. We all feel stressed at times, but you can relieve your daily stresses with short meditation. You can do guided meditations, you can listen to relaxing music. It just helps you get in tune with your emotions. Now, please understand that it takes time to learn how to stay positive. At first, negative thoughts might creep in, but you have to acknowledge them and then dismiss them. Over time, you will become habitual of staying positive. For example, you might think, I keep working so hard, but I don't seem to get anywhere. Stop for a moment, think about why you're having these thoughts, and then replace it with a positive thought. Think of the things that happened when you were trying. You were getting better each time. Tell yourself that you're getting better each time you do the task and that you're proud of your progress. After a while, the positive thoughts that you're choosing to have on a conscious level will become a part of your subconscious mind, and positive thinking will become so much more automatic for you. Now, I will tell you some steps about how to create a vision for yourself. So, number one, create a vision board. Now, some of you might be already doing this on Pinterest every day or even on Instagram. Create boards, save those posts, save images in your phone. Make a collage and keep it at a place where you can see it every day. I do this. I save pictures on Instagram all the time. I have several Pinterest boards for so many things. But remember that it is not a magic wand. You cannot get whatever you want just by saving a bunch of pictures. Which brings me to the next step. Do one small task every day towards your goal. Start by setting a goal and spend 15 minutes a day towards your goal. You can work your way up from there. Slowly, it will become a habit, but you have to keep yourself accountable for it. These small actions can help you produce bigger results. For myself, I wanted to lose some weight when I got into college, and I just saved a bunch of pictures here and there of celebrities, and I looked at them every day and I started working out. Slowly but surely, I did lose a lot of weight, and it worked in my favor. Tell the people around you what you want. They cannot read your mind. For example, if you want to hang out with a friend, don't just say, "Oh, I wish we had made some plans." Simply tell your friend, "Do you want to watch a movie this Friday?" or whatever. Use positive self talk to motivate yourself to take the action. It is normal to have negative thoughts about yourself, but this can hold you back. When you catch yourself having a negative thought, just question yourself and replace it with something positive, a quote that you like, something affirmative, and this will help you to stay on track. Let's say you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never be good at public speaking." Question this thought by pointing out that everyone starts somewhere and practice brings improvement. Then tell yourself that I am improving at public speaking every time I do it. Throughout the day, just tell yourself that I am living my dream, I am success, I radiate joy. Now, please recognize that you cannot blame accidents, illness, or events that are beyond your control. Nobody's life is perfect, and even a tool such as law of attraction cannot help you have a perfect life. Don't blame yourself for the things that happen, because they happen to everyone. Everyone experiences hardships at one time or the other in their life. It could be related to losing a job, could be a medical issue, or suffering an injury. You cannot stop all bad things from happening, because that simply isn't possible. However, you can choose to have a better reaction to them. Focus on changing your response to hardships rather than avoiding them. Instead of getting upset, accept that hardships are a part of life. Then reach out to people who care about you to get support. Remember that it takes time for things to happen. The universe knows when you're supposed to get something, and trust the timing. You cannot force it, you cannot be upset if it doesn't happen. It happens at the perfect timing. So let it happen. Stay positive, work towards your goals, and live your day to day life the way you want. So, that is all on the law of attraction. If you want to know more about it, you can read books like The Secret. It has a lot of information on this. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you want to see more of these videos, because I love making this. And like this video, and also subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.